like to bark at motherfucker. Shit! Shit!
Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search wrong smooth. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said she want, well I want to too. I text her at 10 when I'm in the mood. She shaking it slow, she know what to do. Call shorty, she know we do. Cardio watch, I think I want to. Load up the app and search wrong smooth. Make sure you sub so you see them too. Shorty, she bad, I found me a boo. She said she want.
What's the deal, Smooth Gang? We back with another baby video, man. Today, you know, I just got off work. You know, the work bag right there. I just love banana and shit.
This is crazy. This is getting weird, bro. I don't know if I want to continue doing this, bro. Like, man, this is.
Just decided to bring y'all a little POV. It's a little driving POV. Let y'all know what's gonna be on the channel and shit. Let me start taking some more light up in here. Do a little cutting up. A little something for y'all. Throttle pull. Yeah, man, it is kind of cold outside. I ain't gonna lie. That's one thing. But yeah, I do got a few mods I ordered and they came through, so you should be getting those mods installed very soon. I don't know how soon. Most likely this week. Yeah, we'll go get something installed this week. So if you follow my Instagram, you should already know what one of them is. Well, I have to go ahead and tell you, there's some aftermarket tail lights I grabbed and shit. And these don't know the job. Sheesh. Why is niggas behind me like that though? That's why I don't fuck with niggas in Detroit, Mexico and shit. Niggas be twigging. I'm trying to get over, man. Nice little Durango right there, looking clean. Motherfucker looking and saying, like, why is he recording? Cause I can, yeah. Fuck. That's little Yukon right there. Pull up like I came from Rush. So he got a dealer place on his shit, okay. So he official with it. But yeah, my birthday is tomorrow, man. If y'all don't know, man, your boy turned a big 2-1, man. So we're finally gonna be legal to do a lot of more shit that we couldn't do before. Honestly, you know, I'm glad to touch 21. You know, a lot of people ain't making it to see 21, but me, I'm damn what they over there tweaking out for. The rain trying to cut up for real. Hey, why this nigga behind me keep tweaking though? This nigga making me mad. I'm gonna get from behind this. I mean, from in front of this nigga. With this long ass semi shit tweaking. Like, that bitch is not fast. You ain't got. What you got in that bitch? Nigga? You probably got like V12 in that bitch for real. Big ass engine pack in this shit. McDonald's right there. Got the Mogul. Got the KFC. White Castle. You feel me? I don't know what's going on over here though. Y'all boys tweaking. Look, you see how that niggas tweaking though? Like, niggas don't know the job. But me, certified stunner. Hey, why this car keep following behind me though? Like, let me find out you trying to push up on the whip, man. This same white little fuse keep trying to follow a nigga. Like, bro, what are you doing? Got the heat on, man. It's too cold. I got the heated seats on this bitch too. Cause if you don't know, man, if you niggas, I mean, I ain't gonna say that, but if you're in Detroit, you know how quick this shit can change, man. Like this morning, it wasn't that cold, but it was like a little chilly. But nah, it's cold as fuck. Snow, like little snow drop. Ooh, that bitch look crazy. Little Yukon had a little camo wrap on. That's the first time I seen like a Yukon with a camo wrap for real. But yeah, I'm just bringing y'all like a little quick little POV video. I might edit this bit, but I might not. I might just post it just plain Jane. Cause like a lot of people on YouTube, they just like, that's mainly what people like it. Like nah, they like the longer videos type. Even though I thought like this attention span nowadays, I thought this shit was short as hell, but some people be liking it. What are you doing? Yo, what are you doing? Yo,
Come on, man.
nigga just made me mad doing that. The fuck? What's that about? Oh, nigga tried to get over what I got over. Oh yeah. If y'all don't know, I want to get a drop. I ain't gonna get a drop out, but people will know, man. Davidson, man. I know some of my Detroiters out there. Whoa, why'd you breaking behind me? Like, yo. Today is a bad day for drivers, man. Niggas on that 9 to 5s, though. Them niggas don't know what they be doing, man. For real. It's not that serious, man. It's not that hard to drive, man. Stay in your lane, go the speed limit. Don't do no extra shit, dog. Simple. But you know, we got this little basic shit. We gonna swap this bitch out with the black screen. Try to carbon fiber this out. Try to carbon fiber this shit out. Try to black this or like get the carbon fiber, like that chrome out. You know, shit like that. But yeah, for the most freeway exit, it's like an SRTG right there. Try to do a little quick pull right here real quick. Let me see. So y'all know we are, I wouldn't say stock, but our exhaust is stock. So, yeah, our exhaust should be stock. So mainly, what y'all hearing is like mostly engine. So don't try to cook. If y'all trying to say my shit quiet and it's a V8 Hemi, I'm gonna get a straight pipe. The big carbon 5-inch tips. You feel me? We got a lot in stock for this car, and we got a swap coming. But I ain't gonna tell y'all too much about that. I'm just more so gonna like pop out with it, like get like 2 videos and be like, not me, but like 2 videos of the car getting swapped. Oh, this is a clear way. Let me get a little pull. Hold on. It's a little light throttle pull right there. Nothing too serious. I really want this bitch to go. I'm gonna turn my traction off real quick. Hold on. Turn the traction off real quick. No, let's see if we put a little better. Okay, that was a nice little. Man, this motherfucker, it's a slow boat, but you know it's not mostly stuck. But like, I really gotta get the tune and like add the straight pipe and like throttle bodies and in my spark. I got some NGK iridium spark plugs or however you pronounce that. I got some, but I just didn't go to the shop yet to get them installed. And I believe I need a tune up too, but we'll get that this week coming up when we do some more videos. Like, we got a lot of content coming, so like just stay tuned. Like, subscribe, like the videos, comment, all that. Cause like, look at this motherfucking fuse, it's sneaking up again. Hold on, I'm getting dog. Hold on, I'm getting dog ball fusing. Hold on, we gotta let him get close. Hold on, let him get close where the dog is at. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Cool little buck 10. Cool little buck 10. Whoa, break her down. Break her down. Down shit. Down.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
It's like, no, I miss my pedal shifters, man. Slow it down. Slow it down. I might pull up to like a gas station or somewhere, like try to get like a 360 of the whip. But depending on how cold it is, you know, I might not. But it's a little chilly though. I'm turning this heat off, it's a little hot. But yeah, I just really want to like just bring y'all a little quick video. I'm trying to go make it as long as I can, even though I didn't even do no intro. But I'll probably even do an intro. That's wild buddy right there. That's a wide body right there. Shit, nice little wide body right there. You ain't gonna cut up though. You ain't gonna cut up though. You ain't gonna cut up. Wide body, you ain't gonna cut up. What you doing, Waddy? I go get this plate in there. That's some federal shit. I ain't gonna do that. But no, that bitch look nice though. I should like, I forgot the name of that blue, but that's a nice little blue. I think it's like indigo blue, or like some shit. It's like royal purple or something. It's like nice and thick from the back too. Thick bitch right there. Oh, it's that. But yeah, man, it's really nothing to it for real. Like, why this nigga cruising though, man? You in a wide body, man. You supposed to be pooting that bitch.
Whatsoever, but I'm sorry to tell everybody the truth.
Show us a tutorial since you know what the fuck you doing.
Yeah, get over it, man. Let the real nigga get behind you. Just like to bark at motherfucker. Shit! Shit!
Relax.
Motherfucker just got loose a little bit. Shit! Shit! Okay. Yeah, man, it's like this whip is really, it's like a good reliable whip. You gotta like to keep up with the daily like fixes and like, you know, this is daily car stuff, oil changes, you know, spark plugs, tires, you know, stuff like that. You can't just get one of these cars and just think, oh yes, I could just dog it or I could just go crazy all day 24/7 and then like nothing gonna happen because something gonna happen, something gonna blow, something gonna bust, or something gonna break on this motherfucker. You do know these is old.
Floor it?
Yes. No, don't floor it.
Floor it?
No, don't floor it.
Okay, floor it.
I did the pull right there. I had to be quiet so y'all can hear it. But if you don't know yet, like these are older cars. So if you are getting one and not thinking about swapping it or like just keeping it for the 5.7, like it's a lot of stuff you can do to the 5.7 to like make it like scat power or like Hellcat power. Or you can just go and get you a scat or a cat. But like most of the people, they don't really fuck with that for real. Like most people, they just want to like just keep the power that thing already got. I'm trying to do like a D, not a D, but like from like full stop. So if I get a trouble on your, let me take the surroundings. Pretty sure we just spent bad as fuck right there.
What the fuck is that?
I think that was the boys too. I just seen over there. Slow this bitch down. Now why would you just do? Why would you come out like that, yo?
You dumbass motherfucker.
That's what I mean when I say people just be doing dumb stuff, bro. Big ass mystery van just stop me in the middle of my pool to turn left. I mean, turn the blinker on left and then go right. What are you doing? Like, yo, think smarter, not harder, or drive smarter, not harder, man. That doesn't make me mad, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, or I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm doing the 360 for the car, man. So, man, we just touched back down to the crib, man. Don't mind me, man. I just gotta work. I'm looking kind of crazy, but when we got back to the crib, I just turned the car off the junk. I'm gonna get y'all a little 360 if I didn't already put in the video, but I'm gonna get 360 for y'all for sure. But I ain't really add no miles to the car yet, but I got some. I didn't add them to the car yet type shit. I got 3 miles over. Yeah, I got 3 miles over. I just gotta get them installed. And then the video's gonna be coming, so I'm really gonna get more consistent. So just stay tuned. 2023, really, I'm taking over, man. Y'all can come up with me, or y'all can just hate from afar. But 2023, I'm going up, man. So really, all I gotta say is just rock with your boy. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Just stay up to date with me, man. And it's gonna pay off, man. Y'all gonna see the ground paying off. But it's your boy Ron Smooth, and I'm gonna get to y'all with the next video. So I was put together the little 360 on my shit. Feel my shit go okay out the rims. Cool shit. I do like a little car wash though. Can't see the plate, but yeah, this big old We go crazy.